Good night, it's time night. Here another Graham Snacks today I have for you. This is the Doritos. This is the Flamin hot Nacho. I have not seen these before. I don't know if they just redid the package or if this kind of silently put these out there without calling these new. But it says Nacho cheese gets lit. Doritos Flamin hot Nacho. Oh boy. Alright. Has a really good nacho smell though. I've always didn't like Doritos. There was a time when I got out of them. I don't know whether it was the texture or something, but you know, I go through phases where I like them and then I don't care for them, and then come back to them, and boy does that look angry. Here goes.
There it is.
Okay, we'll spare you. We'll keep them loose. I knew this was going to be a fun episode to do. This is a review? Or is this how much can Gamer Graham take? Well, honestly though, as much as I've ate, with the intensity, on a rating scale, from like 1 to 10 as far as heat is concerned, I give it about 7. Now that I stopped eating, now it's just there all around my mouth, and the back of my throat, underneath my tongue, on the sides of my mouth. This is definitely spicy. Flamin hot Nacho. This is the first product I would say this is no joke. I would give these a 4 out of 5 if you're really into spicy things. I'm not. I'll be going to get me some milk. I will see you on the next episode of Graham Snacks.